Hello everyone, I am Kavita Maniar, interior designer. As we are celebrating Women's Day today, let's meet Surbhi Rao, versatile and multi-talented lady. Surbhi Rao has been known for her long-standing career in fashion industry as a ramp walk model and Miss India Divine Thoughts year 2011. She has been trained for Bharatnatyam under Vidushi Sahana Bharadwaj and tours and performs frequently with her guru. She is associated with her family business as a director of Narsipur Chemicals Private Limited. She is passionate about educating young minds in etiquette and is a consulting faculty for grooming in Pillai College, Panvel. She presently is pursuing learning Carnatic vocals and indulges is Bollywood music singing as well. It is pleasure to get connected with Surbhi Rao as she has taken out time from her busy schedule and shared her thoughts from New Zealand. Welcome Surbhi.
Hi Kavita, greetings from Fiji. Yes, I'm ready to answer your questions.
Please share a bit about your early phase of life and your career background.
I was always a kid who was very keen on glamour, fashion, movies, and lifestyle. When I was young, I remember somebody questioning me what you want to become when you grow older, and I remember clearly saying that I would like to grow up to become Sushmita Sen, not knowing what she did, what career she had chosen. I just knew that I wanted to become somebody like her. As I grew older, I knew that I had to be in Bombay to be associated with fashion, and I made sure that I studied in Bombay. Although I did get an admission in University of Sheffield in UK, I think my family and I jointly discussed this over and decided that I pursue my higher level of education in Mumbai itself. And there were plenty of opportunities as I graduated from college, where I kept trying, and eventually I landed up a really good opportunity. That was when I got this chance to be a part of Miss India in 2011, and from then on my fashion career took off. But I also knew that this career would always be short-lived. It's fancy, it's glamorous, but however, there's always a shelf life to this career, at least for me. So I knew that probably at the age of 30 I would have to choose something else eventually. And of course my father was always keen that I help him out with his business. I pursued my MBA while I was modeling, and I think there was a point in time when I didn't want to model anymore, and that's when I decided to join my dance business. After 6 successful years of being in business with him, today I can say I'm a proud second generation owner of my family business.
We are proud of you too, Surbhi. You should be proud, and we are also proud of you. How have you empowered yourself throughout your journey?
Empowered myself throughout my life. I think my mom has been a strong inspiration and a strong force in my life. She has always been, I've seen her as a go-getter, the strong personality, the socialite, and she never discouraged me from taking a chance, taking a risk. And I've always seen my dad taking a risk in business. So I think that was kind of genetic or probably inherent in the family to take a risk and be motivated. I think the first things that my mom ever taught me was like let go of things, do not cry over spilt milk, and keep moving ahead, because there is nothing in life that should be stopping you.
Very important. We should always take risk because if we achieve our goal, it's a very good thing. And if we didn't achieve it because of some reason, then at least we can have that experience for next move. What are some of your achievements and milestones you have achieved in your journey?
Participating in Miss India definitely was the highlight. I look back into that time when I had a lot of fun and a lot of learning. I met the best of the people in the fashion industry. I think moving out of my house to set up my own home after getting married was another set of adventure that I truly enjoyed. In fact, people say life changes after marriage. I think life changed after getting married for me for the good. Thirdly, I think every day when I see my business achieve a different milestone is a different kick. And watching my daughter grow up into the sweet little thing is also very, very important for me in my life, and I think it keeps me happy.
True, Surbhi. It is very interesting watching our little ones growing up because we have a chance to live our childhood again. Surbhi, were there any specific habits or routine you have followed which kept you focused for your success?
Habits that help me stay focused in life. I don't know. Although my husband says I'm very disciplined when it comes to setting a routine, I don't believe I can stick to any particular routine. My routine keeps changing, but I try to ensure that there are certain basic habits that I follow. I have a habit of making lists. I can go crazy with lists. I don't know whether I would stick to them or not, but at least it helps me to plan my day, my experience, my shopping experience, or whatever related to that. I think I'm good with lists, and I'm also good with organizing things in my life. Basically that, and I do read a lot. I think reading has helped me to gain a large perspective over a lot of things. Also traveling has helped me a lot. So my advice to whoever is watching is, please try to read as much as you can and travel the world. Spend money in traveling rather than luxuries and materialistic items. That's about it.
Rightly said, Surabhi. We should keep traveling. Actually, everyone loves to travel, but nowadays the things are so expensive. So sometimes we have to delay in our plan because of that. But like Surabhi said, if we spend money in traveling rather than on luxuries, so we can travel the world. On this Women's Day, how your success will help girls, women to make a difference in their life?
Success is very relative, relative with respect to people around you as well as the time that you're in. You would not always, even achieving success is a very, I think, methodical, a game of discipline. But however, once you achieve it, there's no guarantee that you would be able to retain that success. So I would say success is not all that important that people, give so much focus to. Yes, you have to live your life, but you have to, set up a milestone for yourself, set up a goal in life and try to achieve it. So my advice would be to set goals that are achievable in your life, because true success comes from contentment and satisfaction. And if you're happy with what you do, even the smaller things, I think you're successful enough in your life. So even if you have been successful in the past and now you're struggling, that doesn't mean that you should give up. You should keep trying. And as I said, smaller goals in life will help you achieve things more realistically and keep you happy and content. Happy and content in the space or the time that you are in presently.
Being happy in what we do is success, because if we are happy, then only we can spread the happiness in the world around us. Now, Surabhi, I request you to say something about 26 designs, why you prefer us.
Wow, Kavita and 26 Designs. I think we have been associated for all our design requirements with Kavita for more than about 2 decades, if I'm not wrong. And what I like about Kavita is that she's clean, she's simple, she's a visionary. When it comes to design, she knows exactly what the client wants and how she's going to execute it over a period of time. There's no doubt the end result is going to be fantastic. So 26 Designs, congratulations, and thank you for allowing me to speak, or thank you for interviewing me for Women's Day.
So Surbhi has shared her thoughts, and I think very important things she has shared with us today. So thank you so much, Surbhi, for sharing your thoughts and joining us from New Zealand. कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं ना कि जिनके लिए डिस्टेंस कुछ भी मैटर नहीं करता है. सो व्हेन वी कॉल्ड सुरभि एंड वी told her that we are celebrating Women's Day, and will you able to join us as you are traveling? But she said, I will definitely join, Kavita. You can call me. So we take out some common time, and Surbhi joined us and made it happen. So thank you, Surbhi, for joining us on this Women's Day.